Good evening, guys. Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a unexpected unboxing. I've already opened the tape to make sure the item was okay and it was the right one. This is something I'm very proud to say. This is my first purchase of this particular brand, and I'm really excited to open it up. It is the Norfolk and Western Norfolk Southern Heritage Gondola made by Menards. My very first piece from Menards, and this is actually in their the gold line collection. I'm gonna go ahead and cut open the packaging. Got it packed very well in the box. Oh, wow. There she is. Man, I really like this gondola. My first ever piece by Menards. Really impressed with this. The detail on this is excellent with all these little rivets, the molded in details. And Menards, everyone knows, is usually carries lawn and garden supplies, as well as hardware supplies. But they recently came out with a line of model trains a few years back. And but I'm really impressed with this gondola. So I will be doing a full run of this. I'll bring it back up. We're going to get a little bit better look. This is like the older Lionel tooling from like the 80s, I think. But they've... Just look at this detail in there, man. Man, I'll tell you one thing. I just love this. Love it. Well, that's the latest unboxing. And we'll be putting on this on the layout really soon. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I thank you guys for watching.